Hi, I'm Mrs. Jenkins, and today I am going to share a story with you called Red, A Crayon Story. I hope you enjoy it. Red, A Crayon Story by Michael Hall. Red, A Crayon Story, as told by me. So the pencil is the narrator. He was red. But he wasn't very good at it. Oh dear. His teacher thought he needed more practice. I'll draw a red strawberry, then you draw a red strawberry. You can do this, really. But he couldn't really. Like this? Oh my, let's try again. His mother thought he needed to mix with other colors. Why don't you two go out and draw a nice round orange? A really big one. A really orange one. So if you know about colors, yellow and red make orange. But they made a big greenish one. Yuck! Oops. If you know about colors, you also know yellow and blue make green. His grandparents thought he wasn't warm enough. Your class is making self-portraits for Parents' Night. Wear this warm red scarf. Nice. It's so you. So they think that because he's red, he needs a red scarf. But it so wasn't. Goldie self-portrait, teal, purple, red self-portrait, green, orange. Oh dear me. Here's his grandparents, silver and gray. Everyone seemed to have something to say. Sometimes I wonder if he's really red at all. Don't be silly, it says red on his label. He came from the factory that way. Frankly, I don't think he's very bright. Grape said, well, I think he's lazy. And Army Green says, right, he's got to press harder. Steel Gray says, really apply himself. Sunshine says, give him time, he'll catch on. And Sea Green says, of course he will. But he didn't catch on. Green drew a green frog, black drew a black sheep, brown drew a brown cow, red drew a red, All the art supplies wanted to help. The masking tape thought he was broken inside. This will help hold you together. The scissors thought his label was too tight. One snip should do it. I thought he wasn't sharp enough. Stay still now. Ooh, put him in the pencil sharpener. But even with all our help and all his hard work, look how hard he's trying to be blue. He's trying to be red. He's drawing red hearts, but they're turning blue. He's trying to draw red cherries, and they're blue. A red fox, red toenails. He just couldn't get the hang of it. This paper makes me think he's really frustrated. Like that blur is how he's feeling. His red stoplight is blue too. One day he met a new friend. Will you make a blue ocean for my boat? I can't. I'm red. Will you try? So this new friend just met him, and she's giving him a chance to be who he is. So he did. Thank you. It's perfect. You're welcome. It was easy. And he didn't stop there. Blue jeans, blue bells, blue birds, Blueberries, blue whale. I'm blue. He was blue, and everyone was talking. My son is brilliant. Who could have known he was blue? I always said he was blue. It was obvious. His blue ocean really lifted me up. All of his work makes me happy. Brown says, his blue strawberries are my favorite. Apple Green says, he's so intense. And I like what Yellow says. I'm going to make a green lizard with him, a really big one. Gray said, I hear he's working on a huge new project. And his teacher, Scarlet, said he's really reaching for the sky. And he really was. I hope you enjoyed that story. When I read that story, it makes me think that when we meet new people or when we talk to friends, that we sometimes make assumptions that because we assume that they should like certain things because of how they look. But we're all different and we all like different things, and you really can't tell what someone's like until you get to know them. So I hope you take the time and get to know someone and appreciate them for all the wonderful things about them. Thanks.